Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is October the 13th, 2019. Here to give you all the price prediction for Ethereum paired against the dollar. If this is your first time watching our video and you see how easy it is to anticipate price movement, hit that subscribe button, like and share these videos. And then on top of that, join us on our Facebook page at HueFin News. Now, let's talk. Last time we did a video for Ethereum, you guys can remember, was on October the 4th, 2019. So it's been about a week or so since we did our video for Ethereum, and we felt like we needed to come in and give y'all an update in the market for Ethereum. So let's break this down to the daily time frame. You guys can see right here, October the 4th is when we created this price target in anticipation of Ethereum continuing to move to the upside in price, and it did. It got our TP price at 4.75%. You guys can see that. But if you saw the market at the very top, you could have gotten at least about 9% in that particular forecast. So very profitable in that, whether it's 4.75% or 9%, profit is always good in the market. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to talk about our expectations in Ethereum now going forward. So all in all, the market in Ethereum is really just holding consolidation or trade. I'll be the first one to tell you that. $160 right around that particular area is where support is, and the market is finding resistance at $200. Okay, now we're still in a slight uptrend in the market in Ethereum. You guys can see each trading day the market continues to try to inch just a little bit higher in price. That's very positive to see that in the market for Ethereum. 4-hour price chart is still trading around our resistance area. One of the things I wanted to point out is that the market in Ethereum on this particular bar right here, we're not getting that type of swift movement to the downside as one would expect. My only concern is this area at $185 right here, to where the majority of these 4-hour price bars are finding a hard time to break above it. Okay, but what's going on in the market now is still telling me that the market in Ethereum is trying to continue to pursue that movement higher in price. You can definitely see that on the daily time frame. The 3-hour chart, you guys can see that this market is still trying to move higher, but we have to overcome this area right here where we have our line drawn. Okay, this is the only thing that is keeping the market in Ethereum from really moving substantially higher in price. But when you look at Ethereum on the small time frames, we're still trending in a upward pattern. Okay, the market is still hovering around this ascending line. You guys can see that I'm just drawing right now. We're trading alongside that right now. That tells you that the overall market move is still one of higher prices. Until you see this market in Ethereum break below that, we're going to continue to see Ethereum move higher in price. Okay, so I'm just going to switch it back over to the daily time frame, and I'm going to anticipate the market in Ethereum to continue its movement higher. But I'll be the first one to tell you that it is coming with some contingencies. All right, that simply means that we cannot allow the market in Ethereum not accomplish the ability to break above this ascension, this horizontal line that I got drawn on my chart. Okay, that is the only caveat that is holding me back from really saying that the market in Ethereum is going to be moving to the upside in price. Okay, but the expectation overall is still for Ethereum to move higher. We're going to play this one on the daily time frame. Just keep your eyes open on this $184, $185 price level. That is the only thing that is keeping Ethereum from really moving higher in price. 188 will be our TP price, and then we bring that down, which will be about a 2% profit into the market move. And if that strength continues to reflect itself on this price chart, we're going to continue to ride the market in Ethereum to higher prices. Okay, so that is what we're expecting the market in Ethereum to do on the daily perspective. The weekly looks pretty good as well. We still have some stockpile to go through into the market in Ethereum, but as long as we trade above this 160, the market in Ethereum will continue to consolidate and move to the upside in price. Give us your thoughts, your opinions in the market for Ethereum. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, what I like to say is make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.